Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone,
Halo.
welcome to our podcast, Our Journey, Our Stories. I am Dani, your host, and my friend.
My name is Rindiani.
My name is Sakila Faturahmat. My name is Siti Sawan Aslamatillah.
Today, my friends and I are going to share our experience learning English through TOEFL. We'll talk about our favorite part, the challenges we face, and what we've learned. Before we begin,
One journey.
many stories.
Let's get started.
Let's start with our first question. What was your first impression of learning English through TOEFL, Sakila?
Honestly, I was nervous because I thought TOEFL would be very difficult, especially listening. But after practicing in class, I realized it was as scary as I imagined.
That's true. Sometimes we feel afraid before we even try. But once we start practicing, it becomes much easier. How about you, Salwa?
For me, grammar was the hardest part. There were so many rules, but after more practice, I slowly started to understand them.
I agree. Grammar can be confusing at first, but practice really helps. Cindy, what about you?
At first, I was worried about reading because the passages looked long. I also didn't know many English words. But after learning together in class, I started to enjoy reading.
Now let's talk about our favorite parts. What your favorite part of learning English, Sakila?
My favorite part is listening. I enjoy listening to English songs, movies, and conversation. It helps me improve my pronunciation.
That's a fun way to learn English. Listening to music and watching movies can really help.
My favorite part is chapter and grammar. It first it was confusing, but now I enjoy solving grammar, which is because they challenge me.
That's interesting. It's like solving a puzzle, isn't it?
Exactly. For me, learning English has been really fun, especially reading. I enjoy reading different texts and learning new vocabulary. Even if I don't understand every word, I still try to understand the meaning from the context.
That's a great strategy. Guessing the meaning from the context can really improve our reading skills. Every learning journey has challenges. What's your biggest challenge?
Listening is still my biggest challenge because native speakers speak very fast. So I practice by listening to English songs and podcasts.
That's a good habit. The more we listen, the easier it becomes.
Grammar is still challenging for me. Sometimes I forget the rules during quizzes, so I keep practicing.
That's okay. Learning grammar takes time, and practice always helps.
For me, vocabulary is the biggest challenge. I still have difficulty understanding the meaning of many English words and memorizing new vocabulary. I am also not confident speaking English fluently. Sometimes I understand what people mean, but it's difficult for me to answer in English. And honestly, mashallah, listening is probably the hardest part for me. Sometimes I hear something completely different because native speakers, especially with British accent, speak so fast. Sometimes it feels like some words just disappear, but I believe I'll improve if I keep practicing.
I know exactly what you mean. British accent can be really challenging, but I am sure you'll improve with more practice. Before we finish, I'd like to ask one last question. What's the biggest lesson you've learned from studying English?
Practice every day really helps, even if it's only for you a few minutes.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes because mistakes help us learn.
I've learned that learning English is a journey, even though I still struggle with vocabulary and speaking. I know I'll improve if I keep practicing and stay consistent.
Thank you, Shakila, Salwa, and Rindi for sharing your stories. We hope our experience can encourage you to enjoy learning English and never give up. Before we end, what
One journey, many stories.
thank you for listening to our journey, our stories. See you next time.
Goodbye.